everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful bridal makeup look. This kind of look is what is requested the most from my brides. It's glowy, it's gorgeous, it's going to last you all day, it's not too heavy, it's going to accentuate all of your beautiful features while still looking like you. So keep watching, I hope you enjoy.
First of all, we need to ensure that our makeup is going to last all day and night. So I'm going to start with an eyeshadow base, which is a necessity for longevity and colour payoff. I'm going to start with a warm peachy tone on the crease of the eye. I don't want to go too dark with the eyeshadow because I want to keep everything looking bright and fresh. Buff this in with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to add a shimmery nude pigment from Peach's Makeup all over the lid to add a beautiful highlight and an overall ethereal finish to the eye. I want my lashes to stand out in this look, so I'm going to line my lash with a brown colour instead of black and then smudge it out. Then blend the lash line into the crease with a minimal amount of a very subtle brown tone. Now the tedious part. I always use individual lashes on my brides. It means that I can customise the finish of the look. They're lightweight, comfortable, waterproof, and they will last all day. It takes a bit longer to apply these than strip lashes, but it is well worth the extra time. Now I'm going to leave my eyes and start on my base, and I'm going to do that by adding a mattifying primer first of all. My go-to foundation for brides is Makeup Forever's Ultra HD foundation. It looks beautiful in real life and on camera. It has flawless coverage without looking cakey or feeling heavy, and it suits every skin type. Apply this over the entire face and bring it down the neck too. Now for concealer. I'm using a shade slightly lighter than my natural skin tone to brighten under the eyes and other areas that need brightening. Don't go too light or it will look too contrasted, especially in photos. 1 or 2 shades should be more than enough. Blend and buff this in with a damp beauty blender. And with the same beauty blender, apply a setting powder under the eyes. I don't want to contour too heavily here, but I am going to add a little bit of dimension with Benefit's Hoola Bronzer, which has a nice cool undertone. Then add some pressed powder all over to get a perfect, blended and airbrushed finish. Believe it or not, I'm going to use 2 setting sprays here. The first is to take away some of the powderiness of the base and allow the makeup to settle into the skin. While that's drying, I'm going to fill in my brows with Huda Beauty's Bomb Brow Pencil. Now a little bit more bronzer to further blend and warm the skin. Highlighter on the cheekbones, a little down the centre of the nose and in the inner corners of the eyes. Now for blusher. I like to use 2 shades of blusher. One slightly matte, not too bright, just to flush the whole of the cheek and give a lifting effect to the face. Then another slightly brighter shade with a little shimmer in it on the apples of the cheeks only. Now for setting spray number 2. This is the hardcore stuff. Waterproof, sweatproof, everything proof. Your makeup will not budge after this. Buff out the edges of your eye makeup using a nude tone. And then I'm going to finish up by using a light taupe shadow just to define my lower lash line and then add a bit of mascara. For lips, I'm using Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0, matte lipstick in the shade Cherish, and then NARS Tuamotu lip gloss over the top. Finally, if you're wearing an off-the-shoulder dress, you can add a little of the same highlighter to your chest and shoulders. And there you have it, a gorgeous you but glam makeup look that is perfect for brides. Let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.